This colossal facility produces thousands of racks daily, slow smoked over fire and coated in our signature, cascading barbecue glaze. Subscribe for more unbelievable food factory documentaries from around the world.
Slow smoked, perfectly glazed, unbelievably tender. This is the...
Inside these vacuum chambers, powerful technology forces the rich marinade deep into the meat, ensuring perfect flavor. Check the temperature on this pallet. Holding steady at 2 degrees Celsius? Looks good. Next, precision machines prepare every rib for perfect cooking. Removing the membrane helps every spice and every bit of smoke penetrate deep into the meat. The first step is precision trimming, where every rack is shaped for perfect barbecue quality. Removing the membrane helps the AI-guided blades move with surgical precision, minimizing waste. But the final quality check still requires a human touch. Before seasoning begins, every rack passes through strict food safety sanitation. Checked one more time before entering the seasoning department. Every rack of ribs is inspected by advanced AI before production begins. Powerful injection technology delivers incredible flavor into every layer of meat. The factory's secret barbecue rub is blended inside enormous industrial mixers. The final flavor comes from a closely guarded blend of premium herbs and spices. A legendary barbecue marinade is freshly prepared inside giant industrial mixing kettles. Natural honey and dark molasses create the sweet foundation of the factory's signature barbecue sauce. Powerful mixing technology creates the smooth texture famous for coating every barbecue rib. We need to check the pressure on this valve immediately. The gauge reads 5.2 bar, seems stable. Now everything is slowly cooked inside enormous industrial kettles, capable of producing thousands of liters every hour. Every ingredient is measured automatically to guarantee the same flavor every time. This famous spice blend transforms ordinary ribs into world-class barbecue. Artificial intelligence checks that every rack receives the perfect amount of seasoning. Now thousands of ribs enter giant seasoning drums, where every surface is perfectly coated. With the seasoning complete, the ribs are ready for the next secret step: deep vacuum marination. This giant warehouse stores thousands of kilograms of premium barbecue spices.
High-speed AI vision system scan.
The secret flavor comes from giant hardwood smokers operating 24 hours a day. Miles of barbecue ribs travel through this factory every single hour. The predictive model is holding the temperature steady across all chambers. Yes, the thermal stabilization is perfect. Ramping up production now. Vacuum pressure opens the meat fibers, allowing the marinade to penetrate deeper than traditional methods. One coating isn't enough. Every rack receives a second layer for maximum flavor and shine. The result is the beautiful glossy finish that makes these barbecue ribs instantly recognizable around the world. Now, giant rotating drums gently massage every rack for maximum tenderness. The next step is where the real magic begins. These massive vacuum tanks force rich barbecue flavor deep inside every rack of ribs. This is the moment everyone waits for. Thousands of ribs meet a waterfall of rich barbecue sauce. These giant smokehouses are as large as buildings, and they never stop cooking. The ribs now rest while every delicious flavor slowly develops inside the meat. Behind these giant steel doors is the heart of the entire factory. Deep beneath the smokehouses, giant hardwood fire chambers burn day and night to create the authentic barbecue flavor. The slow smoking process has finally begun. These giant smoke generators produce the rich aroma that makes barbecue ribs famous around the world. All parameters holding steady across the main chamber.
Good. Let's maintain this temperature profile for the next 2 hours.
Before leaving the cooking department, every rack enters one final roasting stage to develop its rich, smoky crust. Every minute, robotic systems feed fresh hardwood into the furnaces without stopping production. The ribs now begin their long journey through one of the world's largest smokehouses. As the hours pass, the natural fat slowly melts, making every rib incredibly tender and juicy. Giant automated systems rotate every rack to guarantee perfectly even smoking. After hours inside the smokehouse, every rack develops its signature color, aroma, and incredible barbecue flavor. Controlled flames transform the glossy sauce into a rich, caramelized barbecue finish.
Final consistency analysis complete. All racks approved for shipment.
Every degree of cooling is carefully controlled to preserve flavor and texture. Artificial intelligence constantly balances heat and moisture to keep every rib perfectly juicy. Fresh from the ovens, the ribs enter one of the largest cooling tunnels in the industry. Every rack must pass one final inspection before moving to the finishing department. With cooking complete, thousands of perfectly finished ribs move toward final inspection. Some products are carefully portioned for different restaurants and retail customers. Every rack is automatically weighed within fractions of a gram. Every portion is automatically aligned before entering the packaging department. After an incredible journey through the factory, the barbecue ribs finally arrive at the packaging department. Intelligent robotic systems organize thousands of racks every hour. Every conveyor throughout the factory works together with perfect timing. Every package is tested automatically to guarantee a perfect airtight seal. Each package receives complete product information before leaving the factory. Now the finished products are carefully packed for stores and restaurants around the world. Industrial robots organize hundreds of cartons every minute. Finished products are stored inside a fully automated refrigerated warehouse. Every pallet is securely wrapped for safe transportation. 24 hours a day, this facility moves enough goods to feed a small nation. It is a symphony of steel and coordination. After an incredible journey through one of the world's largest factories, these barbecue ribs are finally ready to be enjoyed. If you enjoyed this incredible journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing factory documentaries.